Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2014 Chevy 2500 with a Duramax. This customer was getting a reduced engine power notification on his dash. Wasn't quite sure what was going on. Brought it in. They had already had the turbo actuator replaced and the turbo vane sensor, the turbo vane position sensor replaced, and they were still getting the message. Does have actually some really low miles for a truck that would potentially need the turbo to be replaced. We had talked to the customer. They had said about 8 months ago that they had a shop take the turbo apart and clean the variable vane system. And that seemed to solve the problem for a while, but now the problem had come back. We talked to them. We did find out that they do have a tendency to start the truck and let it idle excessively, which can cause some issues with the vane sticking with some soot buildup. We advised them that in our opinion it would be time to put a turbo in, and we went with the Stealth 64 option. It is a little bit bigger turbine, taking advantage of some of the tuning that's been done on the truck. It does offer actually a better warranty and a little more power than a stock replacement unit, and it is less expensive, interestingly enough. So they chose that option. We went ahead and got the turbo swapped out for them, did some test driving to make sure that the reduced power situation had been resolved, gave it back to the customer, got some feedback from them. They were really happy with the way the truck performed with the little extra performance with the better turbo. So if you have a diesel pickup and you're looking for a little more performance out of the truck, or you're getting some reduced power messages on your dash, those are definitely some issues that we can help you resolve here at 3D Auto Repair. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.